We don't need your indoctrination, and we don't need your thought control. You can't disguise this extermination. Your agenda of world domination's well known. Hey, Israel, leave them kids alone. Free Gaza, tear down the wall. Free Gaza, tear down the wall. If you think you're God's chosen people, you and me got a different God. 'Cause my God don't do collateral damage. Have you looked at your hands and your eyes full of blood? Hey, Israel, leave them kids alone. Free Gaza, tear down the wall. Oh, free Gaza, tear down the walls. 2.3 million imprisoned in Gaza. You must have had one hell of a party. It's the largest open-air prison on earth. When you force the Gazans to evacuate south, 20,000 plus children, not enough for your bloodlust. They strategically bombed all the fleeing civilians. Human life to you has no worth. Mothers clutching their children's arms. There's no refuge inside Gaza.
It's comforting knowing this mass ethnic cleansing,
Hospital, schools, and cancer wards
is done by the most moral army on earth.
Refugee camps, they're all bombed in Gaza.
Jabalia, Shati, Al-Hafia, Shifa.
Planted lies and fantasy.
We won't rest, we will never forget.